Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Rauda. I'm 11 years old. I born in Hospital Sungai Buloh at Selangor. My family has 5 members. I don't know cakap pasal apa lagi.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings. I study. I love. My hobby is arting, drawing. That's all good.
What about your father, your mother?
My father's from KL. My mother is from Malacca. I love playing with my sibling, but we are always have a fight.
What kind of fight?
Like boxing, like that. Boxing, taekwondo. It's a mix. We mix it all. I don't really love drawing. I more like playing badminton or.
You said that you love to draw, and now you say that you don't like drawing.
Don't really like drawing because sometimes I'm stressed because my drawing sometimes not being like what I imagine. So it's so stressed. I feel so stressed. I'm feeling upset, stressed, mad. All the feeling I felt. So if I want to calm down, I always playing or listening to music.
What kind of music? Nasyid?
No, I like
Lagu raya?
to hear like English music. Like Anxiety,
Anxiety?
Dandelions,
I need to check that.
Dandelions, and sometimes I'm hear the K-pop songs.
I think that's all for today.
Yes. Bye. Hi everyone, my name is Atik Mirza. I am 8 years old.
I have how many siblings?
I have 3 siblings.
Who are they? Introduce them. Your elder sister is Nurauda. Your elder sister?
Nurauda,
And your younger sister?
Rayhana,
Where do you live?
Selangor,
Selangor. How about your father? Father's name. Your father's name?
Syahrul,
Shahrul. Your mother's name?
Masita.
Is there anything you want to say?
No,
No more? What about your best friend? Do you have any best friend? Best friend.
tahu apa?
How many best friends do you have?
4.
Name them.
Arif, Fatih, Yusuf, Anaki.
Do you like to be friends with them? What about your hobby? Do you like playing games?
Yes,
Yes. What kind of game? What games do you love to play? Street Fighter? Batman?
yes,
Your ambition? What do you want to be when you grow up?
engineer.
Engineer, like your father. Anything you want to say?
No,
Okay. Say goodbye. Hi.
Hi.
Daddy finger, daddy finger. Cepatlah.
Ya.
Sekejap. Baby Abi pergi mana? Apa tu? Apa tu? Baby apa tu?
Fish.
Fish. Hana siapa angkat tangan? Abi mana Abi?
Abi aja.
Kerja. Umi mana?
Umi ni.
Hana mana?
Umi ni.
Daddy finger? Where are? Where are you? Okay lah baby, bye lah baby, bye.
Bye.
See you. Cakap, baby cakap. See you when I see you. Baby.
See you.
When
When
I
I
see you.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.